We have witnessed just how powerful artistic expression can be that expand our understanding of the world, enrich the experiences of the communities that we serve, and drive positive change both locally and globally. And that is why today it is my honor and privilege to announce a new $3.12 million commitment from Cinespace Film Studios.
In 2021, $2.5 billion, that's billion with a B, of production taking place on television, on film, on digital interactive productions in our city. It provides a reputation for our city as a hub of creativity and innovation. And so we look to strengthen that going forward, and the partnership being announced today between Cinespace Film Studio and York University is a perfect example of how we're going to take the gains and move forward together to even bigger and better things.
This $3.12 million gift over the next 5 years supports the York University AMPD Motion Media Studio at Cinespace, a practical, immersive classroom within the heart of the film and television production community.
Students will find incredible technology to support experiential learning, such as virtual production, motion media capture, augmented and virtual reality, immersive environments, and motion simulation.
Each student who has access to this studio will continue to have the opportunity to develop a creative voice, contribute to our collective cultural history, and affect positive change.